Namaskar, I'm Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So today we are going to discuss about section 110 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 110 of the Indian Penal Code provides punishment to the abettor in those cases where the intention and knowledge of the person who is committing the offense is different from the intention and knowledge of the abettor. So in these circumstances, what would be the punishment? It has been provided under section 110 of the Indian Penal Code. But before understanding and analyzing section 110 of the Indian Penal Code, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page and check out the playlist, because this playlist are on various issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC and various other important issues, and there are numerous videos on these topics both in Hindi and English. Very informative and knowledgeable videos are there, so please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, if in any case where the intention of the abettor, the intention and the knowledge of the abettor and the intention and the knowledge of the person who is committing the crime are different, and in those circumstances if an offense occurs, then the abettor will be punished with the same offense as if he has committed the crime. So before analyzing it, let's read what is given under section 110 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 110 of the Indian Penal Code says punishment of abatement. A person abated does act with a different intention from that of abettor. Whoever abets the commission of an offense shall, if the person abated does the act with a different intention or knowledge from that of the abettor, be punished with the punishment provided for the offense which would have been committed if the act has been done with the intention or knowledge of the abettor and with no other. In case if any offense is committed on an abatement, for example, if Mr. A says to Mr. B or abets Mr. B to snatch the wristwatch from Mr. Z, saying that the wristwatch belongs to him, but Mr. A knows it fully that this is an act of theft and the watch do not belongs to him. Actually, the watch belongs to Mr. Z. So under these circumstances, in this misconception, if B goes and snatches or takes out the watch from Mr. Z and gives it to Mr. A, Mr. B has committed no crime, whereas Mr. A has committed the crime of theft. Here, the intention and knowledge of Mr. B is different from the intention and knowledge of Mr. A. Here B don't have the knowledge, complete knowledge, and he went to take off the watch from Mr. Z in a misconception that this watch belongs to Mr. A, whereas Mr. A knows it fully that this watch does not belongs to him and he is awaiting Mr. B for an act of theft. So this is all about section 110 of the Indian Penal Code. So I'll be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.